Welcome to our introduction to Filmora. Before getting into our whole course, we have to learn a bit about Filmora, how it is used, what is Filmora, and why would you choose Filmora for video editing. So, what is Filmora? Filmora is a video editing software developed by Wondershare, designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to beginners while still offering advanced feature for more experienced users. Filmora provides a wide range of tools for editing videos, including trimming, cutting, adding transitions, overlays, effects, and text. It supports various file formats and allows users to export their finished video in different resolutions, including HD and 4K. Filmora also offers pre-made template and royalty-free music to help users create professional-looking videos very quickly. Overall, it's a popular choice for individuals and small businesses looking to create high-quality videos without the complexity of professional editing software. So, what are the key features of Filmora and why would you choose Filmora for video editing? First off, and the foremost thing is about the user-friendly interface. Now, this is very beginner-friendly. So, another thing is about having two type of softwares, or let's say two type of platforms. You can also use it on your phone and also on your PC. So I'm obviously going to show you about the PC variant, so stay tuned. The second method or the second thing or the second key feature is going to be about the video editing tools. Now, just like you can see that as it is user-friendly, the tools are not that complex, but you get professional or let's say decent quality video editing tools so that you can also make professional grade videos on Filmora. Third is going to be the effects and filters. There's a lot of effects and filters which you can apply even when you're using free Filmora. Four is going to be the text and titles. So obviously you're going to need text and titles in your videos, and obviously you have access to those too. The next one is going to be audio editing. Now obviously just like other video editing softwares, it also has audio editing tools which you'll be able to work on. Six is going to be color correction and grading. Obviously your video needs to look a lot better, and obviously color correction and color grading plays a very vital role, and you'll be able to do that just in Filmora. Okay. Now 7 is going to be the green screen. Now there are a couple of videos which you will be making using a green screen, and also you'll be able to edit them all in Filmora. 8 is going to be the split screen, which increases your functionality and increase your features while using Filmora. 9 is going to be pan and zoom. 10 is going to be screen recording, which you can also do. Now, there are a couple of softwares which do not have screen recording, but the screen recording tool is going to be attached or is default in this Wondershare Filmora so that you can make your own videos on your screen too, and you can show them. 11 is going to be 4K editing support. So obviously, there are a couple of softwares which do not help you to get 4K editing support because couple of those softwares are going to be limited to 720p or 1080p and HD, but not 4K. So you'll be able to edit your videos off 4K too in Filmora. And the last one is easy export and sharing. Just like other softwares, and as it is user-friendly, it is very easy and very simple to share all of your, let's say, project or your videos which you edit in Filmora. Now, overall, Filmora provides a comprehensive set of features suitable for creating a wide range of videos from simple home movies to more complex projects for social media or for business use. So, without any further ado, let's just get into our introduction, or let's just open up Wondershare Filmora and also show you how you'll be able to install it on your device. As you can see on the screen, that this is how the home tab or the home space of Filmora Wondershare looks like on your PC. Now, it might be a bit different on your phone, but I'm not going to be showing you the phone. So you have to learn about how you can open it up or how you are going to download it. So first off is going to be going off to any one of your, let's say, browser which you have on your device. So first off, you can see that I have opened up Chrome. Now from here, I'm going to do is going to be searching for Filmora Wondershare. Now click on that, and then you will basically see this filmora.wondershare.com over here. And you also have the latest version. Now I would suggest you to only, let's say, download it from the genuine side, because obviously you don't want to take the risk for your device to, get breached by virus and stuff. So what you're going to do is go download it from their, let's say their genuine site. Now click on that, and then you have this download option, or you can also get started for free. It's totally up to you. And make sure, even if you are downloading from a different site, make sure to get the newest version, which is Filmora 13 right now. And you can also use 12, which is also quite updated. But if you want more bug fixes and a lot more tools, or stay updated with the newest, variant, make sure to use the 13 right now. So what you're going to do is just click on download, and there we go. It will download up on your device, and then just make sure to install it on your device, and then you are good to go. Okay. So you can see it has been downloaded. Then what you're going to do is just set it up, install it, and just save it on whichever drive you want to use. So this is basically how this home panel would look like. So I'm going to give you the introduction of this whole screen. Okay, so there we go. We have, if you want to create a new project, just click on that. And this is the interface where you'll be able to fix up your aspect ratio, which one you want based on your work. Then we have is the new project if you want to make up a new project. Then we have is instant mode. Well, this is going to just make up, something very fast, which is kind of like a quick workspace. You will not be able to, fix anything from over here, but you will be able to do that later on. So I would not suggest you doing that. So make sure to click on new project. Now, if you want to screen record anything, click on screen record. Then we have is AI text to video. If you have any script or text file which you want to turn it into a video, you can do that. And those are basically AI. Then the last one which we see over here is AI text-based editing. You can also edit it just by typing. So these are the new features of Filmora 13. So these are the new things, and there are a lot of bug fixes. If you have any experience in using Filmora, if you've used Filmora 11, 10, or let's say 12, you already know that there are a couple of bugs. So if you want to get those fixed, and if you don't want to face those issues, just make sure to download 13. Then we have is Filmora Cloud. So this is basically like a cloud drive for Filmora. So you just have to make sure that you log in and then use it. Okay. So you'll be able to upload those files and get access to it, or access to your files from whichever platform you want. Let's say your laptop, your PC, your TV, your phone, your tablet, everything. And the last one, which you see over here, is called the Creator Hub. Well, this is basically like an open source where you'll be able to get like a lot of, let's say, videos or templates, or, couple of other people's work from over here. But make sure that you're connected to the internet, and obviously make sure that you are, logged in. And even if you're not, you will be able to use it. So don't worry. So if you just want to, see or get a peek of this, Creators Hub, you'll be able to get that. So now you know about how you can, install or use Wondershare. And obviously we're going to go step by step, how you can use the tools, how you'll be able to, do a couple of commands, how you'll be able to transition, like use the transition and use animation and all of those. So make sure to not skip any part, because if you do, you might face a couple of hassle later on. And obviously there are a couple of these, other tools too, which we're going to go step by step. So don't worry, and hope you understood everything about this introduction part of Filmora. And another thing I have to you have to make yourself comfortable, because if you face any issue, if you have any question or confusion about any part of the lesson, feel free to ask me. I'm always going to be there to help you. So without any further ado, let's move on to our first lesson of Filmora Wondershare, where we are going to learn about how we can import, then know about sorting, and also about multimedia.